नमस्ते ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम हिमानी एंड आई एम बैक विथ माय वीकली prediction, weekly forecast for the week 3rd to 9th August as per your zodiac moon sign. So I generally give predictions as per your moon sign. अगर आप लोगों को moon sign नहीं पता है तो don't worry, you can check this video as per your Vedic sun sign, Western zodiac, anything which you resonate with. It's a general reading. Have faith, definitely you will resonate with these cards. For each zodiac card, I will put down timeline stamp of all of them. You can check as per your zodiac sign. Please share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get the guidances and they can plan their week accordingly. आप सभी से निवेदन है, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए ताकि आपको एवरी वीक न्यू नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए न्यू वीडियोस की और आप अपना वीक अकॉर्डिंगली प्लान कर सके. फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज्ड असिस्टेंस माय सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स विल बी देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. You can reach out to me through them. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First zodiac sign is Aries, that is मेष राशि. देखते हैं क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके एरीज, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 7 ऑफ विंटर, विच मीन्स मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं आप एक ही चॉइस को लेके अटक गए हो एंड यू आर नॉट मूविंग इट और आप ये जानते हो कि ये आपके लिए सही नहीं है. यू आर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द ट्रूथ. सो ये कार्ड यही गाइडेंस दे रहा है. देयर इज अ बेटर चॉइस. यू आर नॉट सीइंग देम क्लियरली. यू आर होल्डिंग on the choice which you feel that is right for you and you are running away from the truth. Don't run away from the truth. See things clearly. There are better choices available for you. Universe knows कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपके लिए क्या सही है. So just see the signals, look at the opportunities clearly and don't hold on things which is not meant for you. Don't run away from this truth. Face it. All the best Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक टॉरस, वृषभ राशि. देखते हैं उनके लिए क्या गाइडेंस है टॉरस के लिए. ओके सो टॉरस, आपके लिए कार्ड है 8 ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स इस हफ्ते यू हैव to move on in life. Don't hold on things which is not serving any purpose to you, which is only causing disappointments or challenges, disheartenment. So it is the time to move on in life. It is the time to find more meaningful life. You have to take major life changes. I know it is difficult, but you have to take major life changes. You have to choose things which makes you happy. So you have to move on in life. You have to leave behind things which is not serving any purpose. Don't feel regret or disappointed. Go ahead, choose major life changes in life. Move on from the old patterns and find out more meaningful life. All the best Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन जेमिनाई. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द कार्ड फॉर जेमिनाई. ओके जेमिनाई, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है वर्ल्ड का, विच मीन्स योर वन प्रोजेक्ट इज ओवर. योर हार्ड वर्क एंड efforts have been appreciated by your superior. It's a brilliant success for you. You are appreciated for your work and you are ready for new directions. You have the freedom to go anywhere and one journey is complete and you are ready for new opportunities, new challenges in life. If you are a student, you are going for a graduation ceremony. Singles might get married or it also indicates a world tour. So overall it's a brilliant week for you. Enjoy the success, enjoy the appreciation. All the best Gemini. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं. दैट इज कैंसर, कर्क राशि. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस. ओके कैंसेरियंस, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 3 ऑफ स्प्रिंग, विच मीन्स प्लान योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप विथ एन आई टू द लॉन्ग टर्म. सो दिस इज द टाइम आपको आगे के लिए, फ्यूचर के लिए सोचना है. तो उस तरीके से प्लान कीजिए कि आप लॉन्ग टर्म के बारे में सोच रहे. कोई भी डिसीजन लेना है तो लॉन्ग टर्म के बारे में सोचिए. कोई नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेना है, कोई नया प्लान करना है, सब चीज़ों को लॉन्ग टर्म के बारे में सोच के देखिए. Have patience, good things are about to come. Don't rush out things. Have patience, there are more good things to come. Satisfaction from a job well done. So you are satisfied in your current job, you are appreciated, well done, put lot of efforts towards your work, things will move at the right time. You have to be patient, good things are yet to come, Cancer. So don't worry, good things are around the corner. You have to slowly take the steps. It's a baby steps to reach your long term goals. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक लियो. लेट्स सी क्या गाइडेंस है सिंह राशि के लिए. ओके, सो लियो फॉर यू द कार्ड इज 2 ऑफ विंटर. इस हफ्ते आप इनडिसाइसिव हो, आपके पास ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है बट यू आर अनेबल टू डिसाइड व्हाट टू चूज. You feel like blindfolded, but it is not like that. Something is holding you back. Make the choice that is best for you rather than pleasing others. कहीं आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो ये चीज़ दूसरों को पसंद आएगी, ये चीज़ इसको पसंद आएगी. Don't please others. Make choice which is good for you. You are trapped between your mind and your heart. Listen to your heart. Listen to what is good for you. Don't run away on emotional things. So you have to listen to your mind. You have to listen to your mind. You have to listen what is good for you, because in the long run you have to face it, not others. So be careful, be practical, don't be indecisive, make the choice which is good for you. So all the best, Leo. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक वर्गो. लेट्स सी वर्गो के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. लेट मी पुल द कार्ड. ओके, सो वर्गो आपके लिए कार्ड आया है मैजिशियन, विच मीन्स you have all the resources, all the skills required to be successful. You have to make the right choice. You can do anything. You have to take the charge of your life. You have to plan accordingly, manifest the right desire which is necessary for success. So you have to be mindful what you need to choose from. I know you have all the skills and you are ready to work accordingly, but you have to be careful what you want to need and to achieve success. So you have to manifest the right thing. So take charge of your life, manifest what you need for success. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए लिब्रा पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन इज लिब्रा. चलिए देखते हैं लिब्रा के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो लिब्रा फॉर यू द कार्ड इज द ड्रीमर, विच मीन्स you have to take risk in life. You have to begin a new adventure based on leap of faith, based on trust in universe. Trust yourself, trust universe, and embrace your true purpose. Take risk what you really need to work upon. It's the time for new beginnings. Embrace your true purpose, embrace your life purpose, what is you want to do, what you want to achieve in life. Begin a new adventure. Universe is with you, your friend is with you, so trust yourself. All the best, Libra. चलिए स्कॉर्पियो पे चलते हैं. द नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन, लेट मी पुल. ओके, Scorpio, for you the card is 4 of winter, which means this is the time where you need to set aside all your challenges, all your concerns for now, because your mind is going with so many things. It is tired, it is having too much of stress, anxiety. So it is the time to set aside all your concerns and go with the flow. There is no need to rush. Don't make decision at the current moment, because your mind is not stable and you will make incorrect decision which you will you cannot take back, and you will face more challenges. So it's the time to relax your mind, it's the time to take rest, go out for a vacation, meditate, then you will get the solution. You have to calm your mind, move with the flow, don't rush out things. So it's the time to take rest and meditate, then only you will find the right solution. Don't take any major decisions currently. All the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead for Sagittarians. Let's see the card. Okay, so Sagittarians, for you the card is Prince of Spring, which means you are very passionate about your goals, you are self confident, you are ready to take immediate action towards your goals. You can manage any challenges during the way for fulfilling your goals. You have that ability to successfully manage any challenges that come across while fulfilling your dreams, while fulfilling your goals. You are very passionate. Also, if you are single, you will have a passionate relationship, or you are already in a relationship, you will spend time with your partner. Overall, it will be a very passionate relationship. At the same time, you are very restless. You are in a hurry to complete your goals, to fulfill your dreams. But relax, my boy, my boy and girl, you have to relax, and you have to, with a calm mind, fulfill your goals. Don't be restless, things will fulfill at the right time. You have to continue, take action, continue fulfilling your goals. Things will move in your direction. All the best, Sagittarians. Let's move on to Capricorn, the next zodiac. Let's see. Okay, Capricorns, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है जस्टिस का, which means this is the time for justice. Have fair decisions for your team, for yourself, because you are the one responsible for any decisions which you will be taking. So you have to be fair in taking decisions. If you are fighting any legal battles, rest assured you will win in the end. You have to review your things clearly, because it is a karmic cycle. Whatever you will sow, you will reap in the end. तो जो भी आप करोगे उसका फल इसी जन्म में मिलेगा, इसी टाइम पे मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू रिव्यू थिंग्स केयरफुली. डोंट टेक एनी wrong decisions, don't do anything wrong, focus on. And also, if you are single, this also indicates court marriage. So all the best, Capricorns. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक पे चलते हैं, Aquarius. सो Aquarius, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 6 of Winter, which means last week or whatever challenges you were facing, it's a welcome relief from troubled times. Positive changes are coming your way, so relax, things will be at the right direction. Also, if you are facing troubled challenges, you are moving to different location. I know you have lot of things going in mind, कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, but this is the right choice you are making to travel to different city and and be relaxed and a calm time. Also, if you are going for an interview, chances are you might have to relocate to a new location. It also indicates travel to different city. Also, you might be transiting from one profile to another in your current company, and this will be a smooth transition. So all the best, Aquarius. चलिए Pisces पे चलते हैं, the last zodiac. So Pisces, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 7 of Autumn, which means this is the time to have patience. Don't worry. It's the time, take time to rest and plan your next step. Don't rush out things. Go with the flow. It's a long term investment of time and money. It's the time to make long term investment, whether it is your time or money. You have to plan slowly without any hurry. Have patience, things will move on accordingly. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you so much for watching my weekly horoscope. I hope this time also, this week will be easy for you through these guidances to plan your week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead. Thank you so much.